Okay, we're on our way to the fishing pier first. We're testing the new microphone, and it's a little bit breezy, so I don't know if we're going to get a lot of breeze noise or not. It does have one of the wind, what God knows what you call it on there, but I think we need a dead cat. And if you don't know what a dead cat is, look it up. Here we go.
I think that part is natural.
Also, I'm sorry for all the bouncing. The new stabilizer hasn't arrived yet, so we're back using a selfie stick. Doing my best to keep it straight, not make everybody dizzy. And you can probably hear it's pretty dang windy. I'm heading for the Lighthouse. I've decided not to walk on the beach. It's so very, very windy. I don't know if you'd be able to hear any sound or just hear the wind, because as I said, this is a test of the microphone. We'll walk over and we'll show everybody the Lighthouse. Probably the lightkeeper house. And there it should be coming into view. The first permanent English-speaking settlers on Sanibel arrived from New York in 1833 as part of a colony planned by land investors. Although the settlement was short-lived, the initial colonists petitioned the U.S. government for the construction of a lighthouse on the island. No action was taken on that proposal at the time, but 1870s, seagoing commerce in the area had increased in volume. The Lighthouse Bureau took the initiative in requesting funds for a lighthouse for Sanibel Island. 1884, construction of the tower began. The station was lighted for the first time in 1884. We're heading out to the beach from the lighthouse. The lighthouse is to my right. We'll go out, and tide's pretty low. You're looking at Fort Myers Beach on the other. Oh, there's a dolphin. right directly in front of us. Let's see if we can catch him on the tape. Where did he go? I only saw his tail. I don't know if he was going to my right or going to my left. Oh, as I was saying, that is Fort Myers Beach across the way there. And I do not see that dolphin. Causeway comes into view out there in the distance. And of course, we turn all the way around. There's the old lighthouse. Another view of the fishing pier. There's something interesting right there. All right. That's nice. Okay, it was just a quick trip to beautiful Sanibel Lighthouse, and I hope you enjoyed our little trip. And please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.